Hey guys, welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Today for you in the Dynasty, we happen to have one of our 525 horsepower LS3 combinations. This thing looks amazing. Doug custom painted it black for this customer, and the customer chose to go with the black accents. On the front of it we have the CVF front drive system with the alternate AC accessory drives. If you're interested in having something like this built for your ride, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-267-3940. Let's take you over down the run.